This time on Irate Garage, trying out a new product, at least for me anyway. We're trying out Motor Purr, my 1980 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Is it snake oil, a miracle cure, or somewhere in between? Let's find out. So we're going to start at the back of the car here, and I have some of the gas and diesel fuel injector cleaner. They ship it in a glass bottle. That should be an indication of the potency of this stuff, and while it was packaged well and all that, I could smell it through the box. And I can smell this right now as far away from my nose as it is, and I can tell you it is quite strong. So we're going to go ahead and add this here. Get it all in there. This is not the cheapest stuff in the world, so I want to make sure we get it all in there. But it's one of those things, I think, if you know, seafoam and Barrowman ain't very cheap these days either, so you can spend $12 on that stuff or $20 on something that actually works. Truth be told, I bought 12 bottles because you get a discount when you buy that much, which is kind of nice. So I have it running right now and just warming up so we can do the next step. This car has a very distinct smelling exhaust, in part because I believe the catalytic converter is starting to plug a bit. And by starting to plug, I mean I think it's been that way for quite a while, and it's just not quite committed enough to just go meth head and cut it off. Once it warms up, we will be adding their engine tune-up, and you're supposed to use an IV system, but we're going to do it the pole barn garage way, which is just pour it right down the carburetor. Okay, so the motor's warmed up now. Now we're going to add the tune-up right down the carb. This is extremely flammable, so keep that in mind. Do it this way at your own risk. I have a fire extinguisher and a blanket ready to go in case something goes wrong, but it should be fine. It stinks, but I think that means it's working. Well, there we go. You'll have to call me crazy, but I think it's running better already. Nice. Now the instructions say to drive it for a few miles and romp on it a bit, and that'll help clear out the carbon, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Now what I can tell you is it already feels a little more snappy under throttle. I'm impressed. Already it just has a little snappier feel to it. We're gonna get up here and we're gonna punch it. Kind of sounds like shit. I need to do some exhaust work to it. You have to take my word for it. It sounds so much better already. So I guess the question is it snake oil? I don't think so. It really seems to have made a difference. And if you haven't seen or don't watch Pole Barn Garage at all, man, he's had cars with really severe sounding issues clear up running this stuff. I do plan on running this through the crankcase. This engine has a little bit of blow-by, and on occasion the lifters are a hair noisy. The engine is a bit sludged up, so I'm thinking I'm going to run some of this through the motor, but that itself will probably be in a different video. And this is all part of a series of me making this car not suck. If you'd like to see more on this car and me making it not suck, please subscribe and you will catch those videos when they come out. As for Motor Purr, so far I am quite impressed. I will do a follow-up, more long-term review on it and let you know what I think. But so far I am very impressed. Again, the exhaust smells different. Usually when I pull it in here, I can smell a hot catalytic converter, and at the moment I don't. I've never been happy with how this car runs, and as of right now I am very happy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out this video right here, picked exclusively for you, and I'll catch you over there.